Hello everyone. In the sequence of our study of metamorphosis of Raju, the central character in the guide, we have seen the transformation or metamorphosis of the soul of Raju in the novel The Guide. When we read the novel, in the end, we see that Raju is standing in the river and it seems to Raju that there it was raining. And what do you think that Raju is a spiritual guide? Raju died like a spiritual guide or a hypocrite, or really he dies or not? At the end, Raju seems to be a transformed man, but is it really? The end of the story is open for the reader to interpret in his own way. One can interpret the end of a story in his own way. The author keeps the novel open ended as the readers can freely interpret what actually happened. As Raju felt that the, it was raining there and he sat down. So there are many possibilities of interpretation of the ending of the novel. We can see that we can interpret the possibilities of the ending of the novel in different way. He could have died right there, and it could have lived, and it could have never rained, or there are a few more possibilities in between. Raju may have died as the hypocrite, and and the message may be how some impostors fool people in the name of religion, or Raju may have lived, and the rain could stand for the purification of his soul. So we can see here purification of Raju's soul, who was a imposter. He was an imposter or rogue in his previous life. In his spiritual transformation, we see that Velan, a peasant from village Mangla, plays an important role in his transformation. Velan seems like a fool throughout the novel, being largely manipulated by Raju. But in the last section of the novel, Velan's reaction to Raju's early life story, full of dishonesty, and hypocrisy, might have spurred the real upheaval of morality in Raju. Raju trusted Velan with his past life secrets, even with the risk of blowing his career, which makes Velan a very close friend of Raju. He was only pretending to be fasting for a few days, but Velan's sincere faith in Raju may have encouraged him to be sincere about something in his life for once, thus forgetting his own interest. This self realization must have played a huge part in Raju's salvation. Different interpretations of the ending may present Velan in different lights. Had Raju been saved, Velan was the key, but had Raju somehow lied his way out of it, Velan was a fool. It can be interpreted.